Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to install Xstream on your Roku device. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Unfortunately, Roku doesn't support direct installation of APK files or apps like Xstream. However, you can use screen mirroring to stream Xstream content on your Roku. Here's how. Ensure your Roku and smartphone or PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Roku device, go to Settings, then System, and enable Screen Mirroring. On your Android phone or Windows PC, open the Xstream app. For Android, swipe down and select Cast or Screen Mirroring. For PC, click on the Project option. Select your Roku device from the available options to mirror the screen. Enjoy streaming Xstream content on your Roku. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.